Alright, let's make a salmon terrine that'll blow your mind. And your taste buds. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll want about 400 grams of smoked salmon, 200 grams of cream cheese, a good squeeze of lemon, some fresh chives, dill, and just a pinch of black pepper. Start by lining a small loaf tin with cling film, making sure there's plenty hanging over the sides. Next, layer slices of smoked salmon all around the base and up the sides, leaving enough to fold over the top later. Press it down gently. It's like giving your Terrine a comfy blanket. Now grab your cream cheese and pop it in a bowl. Add that squeeze of lemon juice, plenty of freshly chopped chives and dill, and a bit of black pepper. Mix it up till it's nice and smooth. You want it creamy, herby, and a little tangy. Spoon that mixture right into your salmon-lined tin, smoothing it out so it fills all the corners. Then fold the overhanging salmon slices on top to seal it in. Cover with the cling film and pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you've got the patience. When you're ready to serve, lift it out using the cling film, flip it onto a plate, and peel away the plastic. Slice it up, garnish with a little extra dill, maybe a few lemon wedges, and you're done. Trust me, this salmon terrine is pure class with zero fuss, perfect for parties or just treating yourself. Give it a go and let me know how you smash it.